Oh yeah. Woo! What's up, y'all? We have reached the pond again, the premium pond of no less, and we're gonna do a little bit of fly fishing, and we're obviously gonna be aiming to catch some monster crappie and bass, but honestly we'll take anything. And of course it's a little breezy today, which should make this interesting. But without no further ado, it's GoPro time. Yikes. What the hell? Whew. Come on, big boy. Take it. Take it. Oh! Oh, come back. Come on. There we go. Woo! Explode. They are loving this fly more than the tickler. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Oop, oop, oop. Just a little filler. New record. Smallest fish I've ever caught. Bit breezy for the fly, but it's working out. They're getting ballsy. Oh! Another one missed. These fish are getting ballsy. The balls on these fish, come on, just take it. You want it. Oh, we got another big boy stalking. Come on, take it. I see you, big boy. Oh. Yes, there we go. Ooh. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but it's getting pretty breezy. But we're getting some sick distance on with this fly rod now. Whoa. There we go. Oh yeah. Another sick. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Another sick panfish. Woo! Whew. Too easy. Oh my god, this one's smaller than the one we caught 2 fish ago. Huh. Oh, he had it in his mouth. I messed it up again. Oh my god. You're right there. Dude. There you are. Big boy. Shoo. There's a big boy panfish. Whew. There we go. Whew. Trusty pair of pliers. Let's try a plopper. See if that works. Guys, it's time to go for a big balls move. What I mean by this, we want the flies, poppers, but now we're going to leeches. This will hopefully attract the monster that we're looking for from the murky depths of this humble pond. So, it's back to GoPro time. Leech time. Oh, there we go. Whee! Another nice little sunny. Pooh! Oh yeah. Whoa. Another one bites the dust. That was a panfish extravagant. That was a panfish frenzy. All the panfish that you can catch and find. We didn't find the massive crappie, of course, but we did catch some pretty nice bluegills and sunfish. And of course, missed a crappie in the mix of it. Not the big one, but still a crappie, which sucks. But we're actually casting effectively now. I can cast a little farther yonder out there. Thanks for watching. If you guys want to see the 5-pound crappie fishing trip video down here, and if you guys want to see the fly fishing frog hunting adventure video down here. Besides that, I'll see y'all next video. See ya!